Hey guys, welcome to the second part of Java inner class tutorial. We have already covered static and non-static inner classes. In this video, we will be covering local inner classes and anonymous inner classes. Now let's see what are local inner classes. So local inner classes are the classes which can be declared within a method of a class. In this example, we can see this is our outer class, which is having a method outer method, and inside that outer method body we can see one class named inner class is declared. So this class, as it is only declared inside the method, so it will be local to this method only. That is why it is known as local inner class. So you can see after the declaration itself, an object is created and the inner method for that inner class is invoked. Now, if we create an object of outer class and invoke its outer method, it should print both outer method from outer class as well as invocation of the inner method also. So let's create an object of outer class in our main class and invoke the outer method. Now let's execute this program. Here we are creating object of outer class and invoking the outer method. So I am expecting both these system.out statements should be printed on the console. Now let's just run this Java application, and we can see outer method from outer class is printed because we have invoked the outer method. But inside the outer method, an invocation to the inner method of inner class is also there. That is why inner method from inner class is also printed on the console. Now let's check the last type of inner classes, which is known as anonymous inner classes. So as of now, we have seen that we have created various inner classes, but they were given some names to them. Like we are having name of those classes available. But the anonymous inner classes are declared without any name. And there are two different ways that we can create anonymous classes. First one is by using a subclass of a specific class, and second one is we can implement a specific interface. Now let's see an example of both of these ways. This is our superclass, which is having a method show message, which is nothing but just printing out this is a superclass, and we will be using this superclass as a base class. And in our main class itself, let's create a static member instance variable of superclass in which we will be inheriting the superclass and create overriding its show message itself. So here you can see this highlighted part is body of a class, but it does not have any name, but it is inheriting from the superclass itself. So here we are overriding this show message method, and in the override itself we are calling the super method as well, so that it can print the superclass system.out.println also, and we have added an anonymous inner class syso as well. We have created this instance as static because we do not want to create an object, so that we can call it directly. Now I'm calling superclass dot um, show message. So what it will do, it will call this show message here, and inside this show message it will call first the super dot show message, which is from a super class, and after that it will print this is anonymous inner class also. So here what is the difference is we have not given any name to the inner class. This is the inner class body itself, and it is without name. That is the reason it is known as anonymous inner class. Now let's execute this and see how the output is coming in the console. And as expected, first superclass is printed and then anonymous inner class is printed. Now let's see the example of second way of creation of anonymous inner classes, which is by implementing a specific interface. So suppose we are having this interface, inner class interface, which is having the declaration of a single method void show message. So similar to our other example where we have created a superclass instance variable and defined a class body inside like this anonymously. So similarly we'll be doing the same. So it is static inner class interface. So let's call it as only in. So here we will do new inner class interface, and here you can see automatically IDE has added an empty method which we need to override, because this method is present in the interface and we need to implement this method. So here what we can do, we can just copy the same line, the print line. So this is a anonymous inner class from interface. Okay, so now we are ready with the variable which we will be using to call the show message. For the sake of clarity in the console, let me just comment out this line for now. And now I will be calling in dot show message. So now it should print this is anonymous inner class from interface. And as you can see, this class, this inner class is also not having any name. That is why it is known as inner class. Now let's execute this. And yes, we are able to get the same output. This is anonymous inner class from interface. So with this, we have completed all four types of inner classes: static, non-static, anonymous, and local inner classes. So in case you have any doubt or have any query, please do comment. And for more Java or Python related videos, please do check out the channel, and please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.